Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to get Hammer token Monopoly Go. In order to obtain the Hammer token in Monopoly Go, you need to focus on completing quick wins and participating in events like Haunted Treasures Dig minigame. And quick wins are a daily task that offers various rewards including Hammer token as well upon completions. Additionally, some events like Holiday Treasures offer Hammer token as a milestone reward or hidden within the game board as well. You could also find Hammer token in a free gift available in the in-game shop every hour. So here what you would actually do is launch open the Monopoly Go, and then you would go to the album section right over here. You just need to go ahead and click on, or see I have to actually reach 15 to unlock, so I just need to go ahead and click on this. And as you go to this, you could find it on the free gift section as well, and this way you'll be able to get the Hammer token on Monopoly Go as well. Now as you increase your net worth by building landmark and completing boards, you may unlock tokens that includes Hammer token as a milestone reward as well. Since I've not even reached the level 15, so I am unable to proceed on. So this is how you could get a Hammer token in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.